Guests are drawn into the Halloween atmosphere as the entryway beckons with an appealing allure as the autumn breeze stirs the falling leaves. Softly glowing lanterns create long shadows that move in time with the refreshing air. With a flicker that gives the impression of something lurking just outside the door, they illuminate the road. The wreath, a silent defender of the mysteries within, sits upon the door. It is constructed of tangled vines, dried leaves, and a hint of midnight black. Its rustic elegance speaks of the changing of the seasons, while the elderly crow, sitting motionless but alert, suggests something mysterious. Cobwebs, delicate yet eerie, stretch across the entryway. Tiny concealed lights strung along their frail strands give them an ethereal sheen. With its sturdy dark wood and aged brass handle, the door is grand and timeless, deterring only the most daring people from opening it. At the entrance, a gang of pumpkins welcomes you in a friendly but frightful manner. Each one is carved with a distinct expression, ranging from mischievous grins to empty looks, maybe revealing tales of Halloween nights long gone past. They are softly lit from within by flickering lights. This entrance creates the mood for an amazing evening. It's more than just decor. It's a location where the thrill of the unknown is combined with frightening beauty to create Halloween in its most exquisite and captivating form. Every stride they take ushers guests into the heart of the night, where everything seems a little bit more alive. It's a subtle thrill.